Welcome back for Unit 6, topic number 3, which is all about tips. This is your spicy video. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about how to apply tips and another item like sales tax to find your new total for your bill. If you do not already have it, grab your note sheet. We're going to use this lower left corner down here where it says tips. We've got a couple worked examples for you, and we will get going right now. Here is example number 1. It says Logan goes out to lunch. The bill before tax and tip was $18.35. A sales tax of 6% was added on. Logan tipped 20% on the amount after the sales tax was added. What was the total cost of the meal plus tax and tip? And we're going to round it to the nearest cent. Now, this one's a little more complicated because we have two separate percentages. We have a 6% sales tax and a 20% tip. Now, here's our clue of what we're going to use first. Right here, it says after the sales tax was added. That's where the tip goes. So we're going to start with that 6%, change that into a decimal, 6%. Change to a decimal, which is 0.06. Remember, we can just divide that by 100 if you're not really sure what the decimal is. We are adding on to our original bill, so we're going to add 1 plus 0.06, which is 1.06. We'll take that number and multiply it by our original amount for our bill, which is $18.35. And my calculator tells me that that is 19 and 451 thousandths. Now, even though it says we're going to round to the nearest tenth, I'm going to leave that number as is until the very end. That's when I'll do my rounding. So now we need to deal with our 20%. So 20% as a decimal is 0.20. I'm going to add that to the 1 to get 1.20. I'm going to multiply that by our new total, the 19.451. So 1.20, 19.451. And my calculator tells me that that is 23,341. 2. All right, so that's way too many digits after the decimal. I want 2 decimal places, so I'm going to look after the 4. And that number is going to tell me to round it down because it's a 1 and it's less than 5. So my total for the bill after tax and tip have been added is $23.34. On to example number 2. Indigo goes out to lunch. The bill before tax and tip was $11.35. A sales tax of 4% was added on. Indigo tipped 19% on the amount after the sales tax was added. What was the total cost of the meal plus tax and tip? Round to the nearest cent. Now, just like before, we've got 2%. So we've got to make sure we figure out which one is supposed to go first. So we've got 4% and I've got 19%. And it says the tip was after the sales tax, so we're going to do the 4% first. So 4% as a decimal is 0.04. Add that to the 1 because the sales tax is an increase, so 1 plus 0.04, which is 1.04. I take that and multiply it by my original bill, which was $11.35. And my calculator tells me that is 11.804. Like we did on the previous one, we're just going to leave it as that for right now, and we're going to round it at the very end. So now, on to our second percentage. We've got 19%, which becomes 0.19. Add that to 1. And that would give me a total of 1.19. this is what we're going to multiply our 11.804 by. So 1.19 times 11.804, which my calculator says is 14.04676, which once again is way too many numbers past the decimal place. So we're looking in the hundredth spot, which is where the 4 is. Look the number after that, which is a 6. That's going to tell us we're going to round up. So our total bill with tax and tip, it will be $14.05. With that, you are ready for your spicy level questions over on Delta Math. So head on over there and start working.